Good morning, my dear students. I am Fariha Bano. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. In the previous video, we were discussing about the answer this question referring to the context. And I have given you some homework. Before going through the answer this question, I want to give you answers of the previous questions. Before going through the next question, I want to discuss you about the answers of previous questions. Your previous questions were: question 1. Your father had an accident there. He was put in a pie by Mrs. MacGregor. Question A. Who said these words to whom? Who said these words to whom? Your correct answer is Mrs. Rabbit said these words to her children. What is the name of her children? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. So your next question is: who is Mrs. MacGregor? Who is Mrs. MacGregor? Your answer B is Mrs. MacGregor was the wife of Mr. MacGregor. Now come to the answer question C. Your question C. What do you think was the accident that their father had? Your answer C is the accident that their father had was that he was caught and cooked by Mrs. MacGregor in a pie. I am repeating once again. The accident that their father, whose father? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter's father had was that he was caught and cooked by Mrs. MacGregor in a pie. Now we are going to do question 2. Your question 2 is: Peter got down very quietly off the wheelbarrow and started running as fast as he could go. Here, question A is: why did Peter get on to the wheelbarrow? Why? Your answer is Peter got on the wheelbarrow to hide from MacGregor. From MacGregor. Question B. What did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? What did Peter see from the top of the wheelbarrow? From the top of the wheelbarrow, he saw Mr. MacGregor hoeing onions. Now come to the next question. Why did Peter start running as fast as he could? Why did Peter start running? So your answer C is here. As soon as Peter found that he is safe, means Peter was safe, he started running as fast as he could. Now, my dear student, we are going to start answer these questions. Your questions are given on your screen. Your question 1 is: why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go out, not to go Mrs. MacGregor's garden? Where? Not to go to Mr. MacGregor's garden. Your answer is Mrs. Rabbit told her four children. Mrs. Rabbit told her four children to the Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Not go to the McGregor's garden as there was danger. Your answer one is Mrs. Rabbit told her four children not to go to the McGregor's garden as there was danger. Your question 2 is, where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? What did they do there? Your answer 2 is, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries. Gather means to collect. To gather blackberries. Your question 3 is, why did Peter not go with his siblings? Siblings means brother and sisters. Why did Peter not go with his siblings? Why? Your answer is, Peter did not go with his siblings because he was very naughty. That's why he did want to go with his siblings. Now your question 4 is, why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Why did Mr. McGregor call a Peter thief? Why? Your answer is given here. Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief. McGregor called Peter a thief as he, means Peter, entered his garden without the permission of Mr. McGregor. That's why Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief. Your question 5 is, what did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? Your answer is, Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Stop thief!" when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame. Now, my dear student, your question number 6. Your question number 6 is, who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net? What did they do? Who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net? What did they do? So your answer is, some friendly sparrows came to Peter and begged him to save himself as he got caught in the net. As he means as Peter got caught in the net. Now your next question. Your question 7 is, where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Where means in the tool shed. From where, which place Peter hide in the tool shed? Your answer is, Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. Now your next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is, Who did ask who did Peter ask for direction to the gate? To whom? To who Peter asked up for the direction to the gate? Your answer is Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. To whom? Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. Now, question number 9. Your question number 9 is, how did Peter find his way to the gate? How did Peter find his way to the gate? Your answer is, Peter heard some sounds and looked where it was coming from and found the gate behind Mr. McGregor. Firstly, Peter heard some sounds and looked where it was coming from and found the gate behind Mr. McGregor. This is your answer. Now come to the question number 10. This is the last question. Do you think Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother? Give reason. Give reason. Your answer is, Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother, as your parents always think for your good and well-being. My students, this is your answer of lesson 2, Peter Enters the Garden. I hope you all will do this question answer in your copy and also learn this question answer. I hope you all will do your work at your home. Thank you so much. God bless you.